Can you see people are joining in?
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll wait for more people to come, yeah? Thank you, Anita. We're just waiting for more people to join in. Hi, Santosh. Thanks. Aresha? Hello. Mangalmurthy Moria. Hello, Medha. Nice to see you. Can you all hear me okay? Give me a thumbs up if you can hear me. Hello, Prashant Dada. Thanks, Medha. Thanks, Santosh. Should we start?
Let's start. Yes.
Yeah. I'm going to start because I'm conscious of the time. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurumi Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvada Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah.
नमस्कार, गणपति बप्पा मोरया. मी आहे श्यामल पितळे जिरापुरे, daughter of Atmaram Jirapure and granddaughter of Ajibai Banarse. I'm the president of Maharashtra Mandal London, and our executive committee had a vision of wanting to celebrate our Mandal's 30th year of Ganeshotsav in a monumental fashion. Bearing in mind the constraints and difficulties around COVID, we decided all the entertainment programs would need to be administered remotely. This also gave us the opportunity to bring talent from India. Each and every member of our executive team is very proud and passionate about Maharashtra Mandal and our Maharashtrian heritage. So this year we want to give the audience an exceptional entertainment. Thank you. I wanted to also thank you to all our sponsors, FutureBricks, State Bank of India, Blanca Venture, Wild Voyager, and Mortgage Matchmakers. Also thank you to everyone that's been supporting us, including our families, and last but not least, thank you to all our members who have been donating and sending us lovely appreciative messages. Now I'm going to hand you over to Nita Gulane. She's going to sing a number of Bollywood musicals. She's a pharmacist by profession. However, she sings for a hobby, but her voice is absolutely outstanding. And when she was singing the bhajans earlier in the week, she sung like an angel. Like, I shut my eyes and listened to her and I was in heaven. And I'm sure you will agree with me. So I'm handing you over to Nita now. Thank you. Enjoy.
Thanks, Shamal, for that beautiful introduction. Thank you so much. नमस्कार एव्हरीवन, मी नीता गुल्हाणे. सर्वप्रथम MML लंडन, महाराष्ट्र मंडल लंडनचे आभार मानते, एस्पेशली आमचे प्रेसिडेंट श्यामल पितळे, व्हाईस प्रेसिडेंट तेजेश घाग आणि सेक्रेटरी विनोद देवकरांचा, ज्यांनी मला खूप मनापासून इतक्या प्रेमाने मला इन्व्हाइट केलेलं आहे. त्याचं मी खूप आभार मानते. मी पण एक प्राऊड EC मेंबर आहे आणि आम्ही वर्षातनं बरेचसे प्रोग्राम ऑर्गनाईज करतो आणि आजचा हा शेवटचा कार्यक्रम आहे 2020 गणेशोत्सवाचा. अँड आम्ही सगळे रिलॅक्स होऊन बॉलिवूड गीतांचा आनंद घेऊया. हे हिंदी गाण्याचा प्रोग्राम आहे, म्हणून मी कोलोकियली हिंदी आणि इंग्लिशमध्ये बोलीन. आय होप यू डोंट माइंड एज वी हैव अ मिक्स्ड ऑडियंस. नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज मैं आपके सामने जो गीतों की लड़ी लेके आई हूँ, आशा करती हूँ कि आप सबको मेरे गीतों का चॉइस अच्छा लगेगा और मुझे यकीन है कि आप सब अपने अपने घरों में बैठे वहाँ पे एंजॉय गुनगुनाएंगे और मेरे साथ गाएंगे और एंजॉय करेंगे. आप प्लीज़ FB पर, फेसबुक पर कमेंट्स लिखकर मुझे प्रोत्साहित कीजिए, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. और अगर इंटरनेट में कोई खेद हो तो प्लीज़ माफ़ कर दीजिएगा. पहला जो गाना मैं गाने जा रही हूँ वो है क्लासिक फिल्म ममता से. इसका जो म्यूज़िक दिया है वो है रोशन साहब ने और बोल है मजरू सुल्तानपुरी के और गाया है ओरिजिनली लता जी ने. आपने गेस तो किया होगा. अभी जो दूसरा गीत मैं पेश करने जा रही हूँ वो है फिल्म सावन की घटा से है, एंड इट्स अ म्यूजिक बाय नन अदर देन O.P. Nayyar साहब. It's one of my favorites. I used to sing it a lot when I was in my college days. It's by Asha ji. It's a peppy number, so I'm sure all of you will start singing along with me. तीसरा गाना मैंने चुना है वो है सुमन कल्याणपुर जी का, फ्रॉम द फिल्म बात एक रात की. अभी ये जो गाना है ये मेल वर्जन में भी है जो ज़्यादा पॉपुलर हुआ था हेमंत कुमार जी का, बट देयर इज़ अ सुमन कल्याणपुर वर्जन ऑल्सो विच इज़ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल, एंड SD बर्मन साहब का म्यूज़िक है, तो ये लीजिए. The next song is more, not very recent, but newish. I like this song because I feel it's got a little bit of a Western influence, but still very classic in its own way. It's sung by Lata ji from the 1974 film Rajnigandha. Music is by Salil Chaudhary. And lyrics are by Yogesh ji. I'm sure you must have guessed it by now. I'm going to take a little break here, and I have a question for Shamal, who's sitting right next to me. We've got more songs coming along. There's about 5 more songs, so stay tuned. Shamal, I have a question for you. I've observed that a lot of the second generations are so into golden oldies. How is that? I mean, can you give me a little experience of yours?
Okay, yeah, I can actually. I can give experience from my side of the family, but because we're third generation, I don't know whether it would be the same for other people. So when we were very young, I think this is going back to the 1960s, my memory of Aji Bai Banarse, and we lived at 25 Hoop Lane, which is the Mandir. So Aji raised me and my brothers, and also Didima, she raised us, and helped to raise most of the grandchildren. So what would happen at Ganpati is just before Ganpati, we're all preparing for Ganpati, and we would be doing the decorations, which would be a long weekend, like starting on a Friday and finish on Sunday. and Aji would be there. Then there will be Shantabai Maushi, which is the eldest daughter, and Didi Maushi. The Didi Maushi and Shantabai Maushi would be in charge of cooking, because there'll be a whole herd of us, maybe up to 40 of us would be in the house. And then they would be my mother and father, so Kamla and Akmaram, Vishwanath Mama, Kumud Mami, Kalamaushi, and all us children would be there. And we would be all in the mandir, which is like a double room, where the rooms are converted into one room, and everything will be all over the place. There'll be a big square table, like a dining table, but quite big. Ganpati will be sitting in the middle, and then we will build a structure to go all the way around Ganpati, back, front, sides, everything. And while we're building the structure and decorating, Aji would put on some music on her gramophone. She had an actual gramophone with the great big phone kind of thing on it. And she would play records, the old, really old records. And on there, the songs were from the 60s mainly. I don't know where she got the records from. And we all learnt the songs off by heart. We would listen to them every single year during Ganpati, and they were all very old songs, I remember. And then in the 70s, some newer songs. She had records for some of the newer songs from films like Pakiza and Sholay, I remember. And all of us would be singing and eating and preparing for Ganpati, and it'd just be really nice. But that's how we got into music, to be honest. That's how we would listen to the gramophone, the old gramophone, and the records that Aji had. And it was just lovely. And I remember for puja, we would have so many different people come. There was Swamiji that came once, Keshadas Swamiji, with lots of curly hair. He was so lovely. There was Dada Bhagwat, and Sudhir Farke Kaka was there. So many people have come when we had Ganpati from India and of course from the UK. But it was a family event for us, we would say. So hopefully that entertained you for a little while.
Thanks, Shamal. This was just a question I asked her before we were sitting and discussing. And I said, you know what, it'll be nice to share with everyone, all of you. I can see that it's somebody's birthday today. Happy birthday, Prashant Dada. I'm so glad that you're watching this program on your birthday. Ashirvad. Okay, now I hope you all are enjoying, and please let me know if there's any technical glitches and if you can't hear me or anything like that. I'm not reading all the comments, but if I can get through it, then it'll be I can see them coming along. The next song is one of my favorites. It's a peppy number from the film Bhai Bhai by none other than Geeta Dutt ji. धीरे से एक नगमा कोई सुना गया है, वो कौन है जो आकर ख्वाबों में छा गया है दिल मुझे बता दे तू किस पे आ गया है, वो कौन है जो आकर ख्वाबों में छा गया है। Thank you all for the beautiful comments. Please like करा, please comment करा. It gives me a lot of energy when I see your comments come through. Thank you so much. The next song is I'm sure you all will love this song. It's from the film Masoom 1983. R.D. बर्मन का संगीत है और गुलजार साहब के बोल हैं और गाया है लता जी ने. तुझसे नाराज नहीं जिंदगी हैरान हूँ मैं, हो हैरान हूँ मैं. तेरे मासूम सवालों से परेशान हूँ मैं, हो परेशान हूँ मैं. तुझसे नाराज नहीं जिंदगी हैरान हूँ मैं, हो हैरान हूँ मैं. जीने के लिए सोचा ही नहीं दर्द संभालने होंगे. जीने के लिए सोचा ही नहीं दर्द संभालने होंगे. मुस्कुराए तो मुस्कुराने के कर्ज उतारने होंगे. मुस्कुराऊं कभी तो लगता है जैसे होठों पे कर्ज रखा है. तुझसे नाराज नहीं जिंदगी हैरान हूँ मैं, हो हैरान हूँ मैं. आज अगर घर आएंगे बूंदे बरस जाएंगी. आज अगर घर आएंगे बूंदे बरस जाएंगी. कल क्या पता इनके लिए आँखें तरस जाएंगी. जाने कब गुम हुआ कहाँ खोया एक आंसू छुपा के रखा था. तुझसे नाराज नहीं जिंदगी हैरान हूँ मैं, हो हैरान हूँ मैं. तेरे मासूम सवालों से परेशान हूँ मैं, हो परेशान हूँ मैं, परेशान हूँ मैं. थैंक यू. आजकल सभी इसी मूड में हैं. सब लोग परेशान हैं कि ये कोविड कब ख़त्म होगा. जल्दी ही सब्र करें, श्रद्धा और सबूरी जैसे हमारे साईं बाबा कहते हैं. Anyway, next song is another lovely song. I think it's played at every event. It's sung by the lovely Alka Yagnik ji originally. सुनेंगे तो अच्छा लगेगा.
गली में आजा
अच्छा लगा? Thank you. Anyway, next song is another favorite of a lot of us, but it's an unwind version of the song. It's actually a duet from the film Sagar, but I'm going to be singing it alone. And it's a lovely unplugged version which I like. I hope you like it too. सागर किनारे दिल ये पुकारे, तू जो नहीं तो मेरा कोई नहीं है। ओ सागर किनारे दिल ये पुकारे, तू जो नहीं तो मेरा कोई नहीं है। ओ सागर किनारे जागे नज़ारे, जागे हवाएं, जागे नज़ारे, जागे हवाएं, जब प्यार जागा जागे फिजाएं। ओ पल भर को दिल की दुनिया सोई नहीं है। सागर किनारे दिल ये पुकारे, तू जो नहीं तो मेरा कोई नहीं है। ओ सागर किनारे लहरों पे नाचे हिरणों की परियां, मैं कोई जैसे सागर में नदियां। लहरों पे नाचे हिरणों की परियां, मैं कोई जैसे सागर में नदियां। ओ तू ही अकेली तो कोई नहीं है। सागर किनारे दिल ये पुकारे, तू जो नहीं तो मेरा कोई नहीं है। है ना प्यारा इसका म्यूजिक? Thank you all. It's nice to listen to your comments and read your comments. Last but not the least, I want to end the session with a lovely song from the film Waqt. It's an old film, but it's a music that stays with us forever. It's a song that's sung by Asha Ji. It was a multi-star film with lots of wonderful actors and actresses. I hope you enjoyed this last song. Before I end the session, I would like to thank all of you joining us today and giving me so much love and appreciation and all the likes and all the comments. I love you all. जो भी है बस यही एक पल है, आगे भी जाने न तू, पीछे भी जाने न तू, जो भी है बस यही एक पल है, आगे भी जाने न तू। Thank you. अनजाने सायों का राहों में डेरा है, अनदेखी बाहों ने हम सबको घेरा है, ये पल उजाला है बाकी अंधेरा है, ये पल गवाना ना, ये पल ही तेरा है, जीने वाले सोच ले, यही वक्त है कर ले पूरी आरज़ू, आगे भी जाने न तू, पीछे भी जाने न तू, जो भी है बस यही एक पल है। I hope you all are reflecting on the words of this song. इस पल के जल्बों ने महफिल सवारी है, इस पल की गर्मी ने धड़कन तुम्हारी है, इस पल के होने से दुनिया हमारी है, ये पल जो देखो तो सदा इस पल के साए में अपना ठिकाना है, इस पल के आगे के हर शय फसाना है। कल किसने देखा है, कल किसने जाना है, इस पल से पाएगा जो तुझको पाना है। जीने वाले सोच ले, यही वक्त है कर ले पूरी आरज़ू। आगे भी जाने न तू, पीछे भी जाने न तू। जो भी है बस यही एक पल है, आगे भी जाने न तू, पीछे भी जाने न तू। जो भी है बस यही एक पल है, जो भी है बस यही एक पल है, जो भी है बस यही एक पल है, जो भी है बस यही एक पल है। Thank you all for being with us today. Shamal and me would like to thank you all for joining us, and I'll hand over to Shamal to end. Sorry, the light is a bit. Yeah.
That's it. Thank you, Nita. That was astounding. Honestly, I would pay to watch Nita on stage. She's so lovely, so beautiful, and so soothing. That's all I can say. But it was a lovely program. I hope you've enjoyed today's and all the previous programs as well for the 11 days. And thank you to all our viewers across the 11 days. Also, please, thank you for your donations, but please continue to donate. We're trying to raise sufficient funds to cover the costs of our prasad and also some of the programs that we've been hosting for the last 11 days. And as you know, Nita was involved in three programs, including today. And she's just wonderful. And we will see you again shortly. We will have more programs. We're not sure what the situation with COVID will be like, but we will be informing you of our new programs coming ahead. Thank you. Namaskar. Ganpati Bappa Moria.
Thank you all. I'll just end the session today. Thank you all for being with us. Bye-bye. Shall I switch off?